This channel gets millions of views, and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars. How about I tell you about the amazing discovery that there is a more convenient and effective way to create short films that not only collect millions of views, but can also become a source of your income? This approach is absolutely innovative, and at the moment, it is used by only a few channels. It's great that their videos are already gaining millions of audiences, and it all started just a few weeks ago. This fact is an illustration of how easily and quickly you can conquer the tops of YouTube and start making money from your short films. Now that you understand the essence of this strategy, let's go through all the stages of creating such videos using GPT and CapCut Chat together. In this video, you will find not only information about creating a script, but also inspiration that will help you stand out among the many motivational channels. However, you don't have to spend a lot of time on this, as I have a suggestion that can make the whole process easier. In essence, in this proposal, we are making ChatGPT an important notification that we are going to use a transcript from a short film enriched with a motivational plot. Our goal is to change this scenario in such a way as to get as many as 5 different plots saturated with different situations, characters, and locations. Let's insert this idea into the GPT chat and ask him to develop these 5 unique scenarios for us. Now that we have 5 separate stories, there comes a point where we have to look at them and determine which one you think has the potential to go viral. My choice will probably fall on one of these versions, but now that we have the final script, it's time to turn it into a voiceover. To do this, we head to 11 Labs and embed our chosen story into it. It is important to note that in this context, it is recommended to choose a voice similar to that of Adam in order to create a deep, husky atmosphere of inspiration. Therefore, let's listen carefully to the result. Great! With the fact that you have already selected a voice, continue and click Generate. Within a few seconds, you will receive a ready-made audio recording, which can be downloaded by simply clicking the download button. Now we need stock video footage to complement our project. Let's switch to Pexels and switch the search from pictures to videos. Upload from there 3 to 5 videos from the fancy houses section, just using the keyword mansion. Repeat similar steps for fancy cars and vacations. Now that we have all the stock video resources available, let's proceed to the next stage, putting it all together. To do this, open CapCut, create a new project, and drag all our video frames into the editor. Insert an audio recording into the timeline and set the volume level to approximately 16. 18 to achieve the desired sound balance. After that, carefully move each of your frames to make sure that each of them holds the audience's attention for 3, 4 seconds, thus creating a dynamic visual perception. Also, make sure that they completely fill the screen to maximize the visual effect. Now that you have completed this stage, let's move on to creating subtitles to improve perception. Let's go to the Text tab and use the Auto Contents function. Make sure that the subtitles are in English and click Generate. It is important to ensure that none of the subtitles go beyond the screen, thereby creating an optimal visual experience. Next, we will select a suitable template, give it additional dimensions so that it is easy to read, and make adjustments by correcting possible spelling errors. And don't forget to choose a color that will attract the attention of the audience. Let's move on to the next stage by adding smooth transitions between each of the video clips. To do this, go to the Transitions tab and select the Fade effect, which is recommended to create smoothness between scenes. Drag it between each video clip, taking into account the harmonious transition. Now we have videos with captions and smooth transitions. Let's go to YouTube Studio and go to the Audio Library section. After conducting a search, we will select the video that best suits our content and upload it. Let's put it on the timeline, set the desired volume level, and cut it to the required length. Now that this step is completed, let's move on to adding effects. Let's go to the Effects tab and find an interesting effect, for example, a cassette with an error. Drag it and adjust the size to achieve the desired effect. Now that everything is ready, let's move on to the last stage, export. Let's carefully study the results of our creativity and make sure that each element fits into the overall context. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.